Hi everyone! Today is day 2 of prep work for our new hangar, and we have water lines installed. So yesterday we had a well installed, and you can see it's right here. So today they dug a really deep trench and they put water line right inside. You can see how big it is, and now they're just filling it. That's a lot of soil. You can see it's a really nice soil actually. You can see the layers. Yeah, that is pretty deep. So the water line connects to the well right there and goes all the way to the middle of the pad, where the pad is going to be. I love this heavy equipment. It's really nice. Look at it. Beautiful. I'll wait when it gets a little bit closer so you can see it better. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.